Hello friends, welcome to Quizify. Today I will show you how to build your first quiz using Quizify in quick and simple way. Let's make something great together. First of all, log into your Quizify account. So I'm on a Quizify dashboard, and here under the manage quiz you can find create quiz option. So when you come to this page, there are three ways to create your quiz. Very first is theme. Here some pre-defined ready-made themes are available which have different color tone, fonts and background. You can use one of those to start, or you can choose template, which is industry-based templates like some of the skincare and forms and surveys and other templates are available. So that's a quick, simple way. But if you want to start from scratch, that option is also available. So let's do from scratch. So very first you have to give your quiz title. I'll give travel quiz and create quiz. So it will build my quiz. And here you can see there are three main steps. One is intro page, one is question and answers, and another is user form. So let's first build our intro page. So I have added some content for the intro page, and here I will enable and save. Then we will go to the questions and answers. So let's start by creating few questions. I will make few questions for you. From this question type drop down, you can select various type of question and make your quiz as per your requirement. Here you will add your question title, and if you want more description, you can also add some description about your question. Also, there is an option you can upload an image, or you can take image from our image library. And then there is a few options like if this question is required or not. Are you looking to show this question type as a drop down? Do you have more description and you want to display is at a tooltip style? Also, there is an option like you want all the answers in one column or two columns or three columns like that. And then you have this option to add your answers. And also there is an option for adding an image for each of your answers. This way you can add more answers to your questions. Once your question is ready, click on Save. You can add more questions from here. In this one, let's use text box. See, in this question I have added an image, and as you can see there are various options like you want to keep your image on the left or the right or in a full size like this. Once you update, hit save. Once you add all your questions, you can go to user form and see if you want to collect users email, phone number and their name. You can either choose also to keep these things optional, so people can decide if they want to give you those information or not, and hit save. After you build your quiz, you can add the logic for different result page. For now, I will just use a normal thank you page instead of score and type. I will cover these topics into another video. And here you can have your thank you page content. I have added the content, and now we can go to quiz preview. Here you can see your ready quiz and taste, is it working as per your requirement or not, and find out if there is more changes required or not. Also, you can see here in the language settings you can change some of the languages options, and here in the design settings you can apply your color scheme and all. I will cover all these settings into a different video. So last is publish. Once your quiz is ready, you can publish this quiz, and we have few options like this. You can embed this quiz into any page, and also you can use this URL directly and share online. This way your users can take your quiz and enjoy.